Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we had learned all about the movement types. So we had learned what is a movement type, what are the functionalities of the movement type, and what is the role of a movement type in goods movements in inventory management. Now we will do an exercise on movement types by creating a new movement type by copying from a standard movement type and test this newly created movement type. So our exercise is like this. Create a new movement type Z01 by copying movement type 201. Make the goods recipient field a required entry field in the new movement type. Test the newly created movement type by posting goods issue against a cost center. Okay. So let us go to this, IMG path to create a new movement type. So what is the path here? I will take you to the SAP screen here. The transaction code is SPRO. Go to SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Here, go to material management, inventory management and physical inventory. And here, movement types. Expand this and click on copy change movement types. Okay, I have clicked on copy change movement types. Here, select and click continue. A pop-up will open. Here, you input the movement type from which you want to copy, and 2 means which is the new movement type we want to create, Z01. Okay, so Z01 is our new movement type we are going to create by copying from standard movement type 201. Okay, so now click on continue. Okay, it will take us to the movement type overview screen. Okay, now select this movement type 201. Okay, select this 201 line and click on copy as. Copy as. Here, give the new movement type name, which is Z01. Okay, Z01. Just and here, click on copy all. If you get any message like this, right? Entry PK99 doesn't exist in some table. You just, remove that one, that T code. That's all. Okay, because we have copied from the standard movement type 201. Okay. In the standard movement type 201, that PK99 is there actually, but but it is not existing. It is saying. So if you are getting error message that that particular entry doesn't exist, just remove that one. That's all. Okay, enter. You will get this message. Number of independent entries copied, something. Number of entries copied is 1. So we have created a new movement type Z01. Now click on save. Okay. Here, I will give this number something. Create new movement type by copying from movement type 201. Okay, description. Okay, so what I will do here, create, I will just, I will, here you have to give the description. Okay, here, give the description. Create new movement type Z01 by copying from movement type 201 and give your project. Okay, whatever it is. I am using, some project for all my configuration. Okay, now click on save. Continue. Okay, data was saved. We have created a new movement type Z01. Now, what is the setting we have to make in the new movement type? We have to make the goods recipient field a required entry field in the new movement type. Okay, so let me go back again here. So, for this Z01, right here, in this field selection enjoy. Okay, so just just select this Z01 line. Okay, our newly created movement type line, we have to select that particular line. Then double click on field selection enjoy. You will get this screen. So here, we have to make this field goods recipient as a mandatory or required entry. So this is the field WEMPF. Okay, how to know if this is the correct field? Okay, for which we have to make it as a required entry. Just F for this one. If you click here, a pop-up will open. Here, you can see the description of all the fields. So the field where you just scroll down, WEMPF. WEMPF field means the description is goods recipient. Okay, so this field we have to make it as a required entry. So in the standard movement type, okay, from which we have copied, okay, and created this new movement type, this field was in the standard movement type 201, this field was a optional entry. Okay, that means when we are posting a goods issue for a cost center using the 201 movement type, this field, it will not ask. It will not be mandatory. Okay, we can post the goods issue without entering any value in this field. But in our newly created field Z01, we have to make it as a required entry or mandatory entry. So what I will do, I will select this button required entry. Okay, it was optional here for 201. Now I will make it as a required entry and I will save this. So data was okay. So go back. Okay, so even so I will show you movement type 201. This will be a optional entry. Okay, continue. See here 201. I will just put 201. I will take it to just to 201. See here 1. If you go to this field, you can see it as a optional entry. This same field for 201. Okay, but in the newly created movement type, right? Z01, it is a required entry. Okay, which we have just now created. Okay, I will show you again. See, already we have created. Again, I will show you. Okay, go to movement type. In our newly created movement type Z01, put Z01 and enter. See to field select. You can see it is a required entry for our newly created movement type Z01. Okay, so now test this newly created movement type by posting a goods issue for a cost center using this newly created movement type. Okay, so let us go to our exercise and uh, post a goods issue for a cost center using our newly created movement type. So just I will go back here to our original screen. Okay, now let us go to MeGo transaction code. Okay, so let us post a goods movement by posting a goods issue for a cost center using the newly created movement type Z01. So go to MeGo. Okay, so here we have to select goods issue other. Here change the movement type to Z01. Okay, our newly created movement type Z01. Even you will find this newly created movement type if you F4 this one. Okay, I will click on F4. Just scroll down Z. Okay, Z01. See here, consumption for cost center or goods issue for a cost center. Okay, Z01. Just press enter. You will get this pop-up. Continue. Okay, so here also you have got the newly created movement type Z01. Okay, now we have to input the material, quantity, plant, and other things. Okay, we have to input our material in the exercise, which is R-10001. This is the material, right? So testing. Okay, Y quantity of this material from our plant, this storage location for cost center 1501. Okay, let us material, just input the material number, enter, put the quantity 5. Okay, now where? Here you input the plant 9110 and storage location 1000. Okay, 1000. And here cost center in the account assignment tab page, it is 150. Input the cost center and also press enter. Okay, now see, you can see this goods recipient field, it is blue color, means it is mandatory entry. Okay, now let us check if it is a mandatory entry or required entry. After selecting item, okay, I will click on check here. Okay, now if I click on this check button or if I try to post it, you will get a error message. You should get a error message. Why? Because for this newly created movement type Z01, the field goods recipient is a required entry. I will click on check button. Okay, see, we get a error message, enter goods recipient. Okay. Enter the name of some goods recipient. Okay, we have some user Narasimha, somebody. Okay, now I will click on check button. So we get the message document is okay. That means we can post the goods movement, or we can post the goods issue for the cost center using newly created movement type Z01, because we have input the value of the goods recipient in the field goods recipient. Okay, now click on post. Material document is posted. Now we will display this material document. Display document, enter. Okay, so we can see here that we have used the movement type Z01. Okay, and here the field goods recipient is having some entry. Okay, so this is how to create a new movement type by copying from a standard movement type and making the changes as per our business requirement, and also testing our newly created movement type. Thank you for watching my video, and soon we will see in another video on another interesting topic on MM. See you till then.